guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the special brand that I have been talking about this brand ever since it has launched, and I have kept on trying different products from the brand, and the brand is none other than Earth Rhythm. Today I have 5 different products from Earth Rhythm which I am going to be talking about. I have been trying these products for over a month now and I can rely upon it, and that's why I am suggesting these products to you guys. Before deep diving into the product, let's talk a little bit about the brand itself. Now at Earth Rhythm, they believe in smart and safe skincare. The products that we use, it should work and be good to our skin and also to earth. Now Earth Rhythm is eco-certified, which guarantees friendly production and processing norms as well as responsible use of all the resources. None of their product contains toxic ingredients. Toxic ingredients can be very harmful for our skin. Risks of toxic chemicals include skin irritation, hormonal imbalance, and many more. That's why I feel like we should switch to natural ingredients way more than using toxic ingredients on our skin, on our body. I am going to talk about 5 products as I have mentioned, but firstly I'm going to start from the head, then I'm going to go to face and then body. Now firstly I have this Earth Rhythm shampoo bar. This is a daily hair cleanser. This is sulfate and paraben free. Outer packaging looks something like this, very basic cardboard box packaging, and we have a hexagonal bar inside. I personally have never tried shampoo bar in my life. This was my first try and I felt like it's very revolutionary. I know plenty of other shampoo bars are available in the market, but it's just that I have used it for the first time. I have never talked about shampoo bars on my channel. You can go ahead and check that out. I felt really nourishing for the hair, and as it is a daily cleanser, I can use it regularly on my scalp. It will not be very stripping for my scalp, and it is enriched with 100% virgin coconut oil, so it is very healthy for your scalp, for your hair strand. It lathers up beautifully. You don't necessarily have to use a serum or a mask after using this product, which I really like. It's very nourishing on the hair and it's very gentle cleanser overall. It's just like a normal. Overall it's faster, less time consuming, fuss free. It gets a double thumbs up from my side. You definitely need to try it out at least once in your life because it's very economical friendly as well. The next product I have is a face wash, and this is the exfoliating face cleanser. Now they have plenty of different cleansers, so recently I have been trying this exfoliating face cleanser which has AHA and BHA both. Salicylic acid helps in removing your blackheads, helps in unclogging pores. So overall it's a very good gentle daily cleanser. If you have sunscreen or heavy makeup, definitely you should go with double cleansing. I also like their propolis balm a lot. I actually have been using it. I am almost about to finish it. Soon you will be seeing it in my empty video. But coming back to this product, I love to sniff through it whenever I'm massaging it on my skin. It has natural fruit acids only in terms of AHA. That's why it smells really different from other face washes. Not only the fragrance but the after effect as well. Face becomes really lightweight after using this product. It really removes dirt and germs, like every single thing from your face, especially the packaging. I'm taking a little bit extra. You just have to take a pea-sized amount of it. I wanted to show you the texture and the color at the same time. That's why I have taken a little bit extra, but you don't need this much of product. Very small little amount goes a long way. It genuinely deserves a space in your skincare vanity. Now let's talk a little bit about the main role of the skincare, and that is sunscreen. I have talked about Earth Rhythm sunscreen from the past 2 years. This time I have again got this SPF 450 hybrid sun fluid, and I have been using it non-stop. Especially before makeup, I love how it sits on my skin. It gets absorbed within like 5 seconds. It does not leave any white cast whatsoever. Unlike the other sunscreen, it doesn't feel really heavy. It sits on top of your skincare product so beautifully. I even have applied today, so that's why I'm just seeing myself on the mirror while speaking, and it just feels like a primer, a layer of primer you have added. You don't need to necessarily go with another layer of primer because it gives you that mattifying finish. Trust me, this is one of the product you should invest your time, money, emotion. Love the texture. It's a very thick textured sunscreen. Blends so easily into the skin. You can see in real time, like within some seconds it just vanished. I have tried a couple of sunscreen which are very lightweight, but the finish it gives is something I'm really a big fan of, and you can see in real time. I have not edited this portion, and it is also safe for everybody. Even sensitive skin type people can use this product. I just love to take a generous amount of this product on my face, on my neck. If I can go a little bit for my body, I do it on my body as well, but it will not run after a very long time if I use it all over on my body, but just a little bit on my hand. The next product that I have with me, I can call it a makeup product. I'm talking about Earth Rhythm Tinted Lippy. I love to use it as a blush. Now look at the color. Pink like my dress, like my makeup. Today I have all the pink for the honor of this product right here. I'm actually showing you a clip which I have recorded for you guys, and you can see in real time, I'm not editing this clip, how easily it blends without irritating your liquid based makeups. I applied foundation, almost nothing came off. It didn't look patchy. It stays up to 8 to 9 hours. It does not vanish. I have seen that if you apply a generous amount of this product, it does not vanish the way other blushes vanish. You can see in real time, I have shot one video before this video. The blush came on my face is still pretty damn strong, and I have not retouched it. Even I have applied powder on top of the lip tint, and still you can see the color, and it also has SPF of 30, so if you're using it in daytime, you know your skin is protected. I have the shade Pretty Pout. They have different shades. You can pick and choose whatever you like. This pink really stole my heart. Last but not the least, I have body yogurt from Earth Rhythm, which has rice water and kombucha infused in it. Now let me talk a little bit about texture. It's much more thicker than body lotion, but still it does not feel greasy. Gets absorbed into the skin like this. Texture was something that really stole away my heart, and the smell is also very mild. It's not very overpowering. You can use it in daytime. It will not feel oily or greasy in any which ways. It has a good shelf life of 24 months. Dheere se aaram se you can use this product, and you can enjoy this product overall. Summer approved, monsoon approved, winter approved. Overall, these are the 5 products that I wanted to talk about. I have given all the necessary links of these products in the description box below. They are running some incredible sales on their website, so you can grab them on discount, and they are also available on Nykaa, Purple, and all the other e-commerce platforms. Yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found this video helpful. If you did, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want me to try out any other products from your end. You guys already know I will be very happy to buy anything that you want me to buy, literally. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for all the upcoming videos. You might not want to miss those. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, do your skincare properly, drink water, and take care of yourself. Bye.